Restomod culture continues to thrive, and Theon Design's latest creation is a testament to the art of blending classic charm with cutting-edge engineering. Their newest project, a Targa-based Porsche 911, has taken the world by storm with its refined aesthetics and mechanical prowess, redefining the 911 experience. Theon Design's Targa is a masterpiece that showcases their meticulous craftsmanship. Known for their work on Porsche 964 models, Theon has now ventured into the Targa realm for the first time, producing a stunning signal yellow beauty with retro vibes and modern performance. This bespoke model is equipped with a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine producing 407 horsepower, coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission that delivers power to the rear wheels. It's more than just an eye-catcher, it's a driving experience that rivals modern sports cars. The commitment to quality is evident in the structural enhancements. While traditional Targas are known for their flexible bodies, Theon addressed this issue by reinforcing the chassis with prepreg carbon fiber and Nomex honeycomb structures, ensuring rigidity akin to a coupe. Despite the added 60 kilograms, 132 pounds, weight compared to the coupe version, the car weighs in at just 1,228 kilograms, 2,710 pounds, making it lighter than many modern sports cars like the Toyota GR86. On the exterior, the signal yellow finish is complemented by carbon fiber body panels, giving the car a modern touch while maintaining its classic silhouette. The iconic silver roll hoop and the redesigned pop-out roof panel, now with improved sealing, further elevate the car's appeal. Inside, luxury and precision merge with light gray touring spec seats and a stealthy hi-fi system featuring focal subwoofers seamlessly integrated into the design. This is not just a car, it's a work of art built for driving purists. Theon's 911 Targa is not just a showpiece, it's a high-performance vehicle designed for serious driving. The lightweight single-mass flywheel enhances engine response, while the precision-tuned suspension and powerful brakes ensure that the car handles as well as it looks. This Restomod is a rare gem that combines old-school charm with new-school engineering, making it a must-have for enthusiasts willing to pay the $650,000 base price plus the cost of a donor car. For those fortunate enough to own this masterpiece, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of passion and precision. With only limited commissions, this Targa is destined to be a collectible that represents the pinnacle of Restomod craftsmanship. Theon Design's venture into Targa territory has proven that even the most iconic designs can be reimagined without losing their essence.
Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect.